Hi guys, if you've been on TikTok in the past few weeks or so, you've probably seen this new filter that people have been posting videos about. It's called the invisible body filter. Now what this filter does is you record a video of yourself, and as you can see, the filter will change any part of your skin to be invisible. So you record a video of yourself doing whatever you want to do on the TikTok video, and any piece of your skin that's showing will actually appear invisible. Now, as you can see from this video, some people are using this filter to get around some X-rated restrictions that they have on TikTok, and being able to censor their skin if they're trying to show too much skin on the video. By lifting up the top like this lady is on this one, you'll see that you can't see anything because it's actually invisible and you can see right through that person. Now, some people out there are obviously trying to find a way around this filter and see if you're able to actually remove this filter from somebody else's video. So if somebody else has uploaded a video and they've changed their skin to be invisible, people are trying to download these videos and actually remove the filter. This has got a lot of people worried about whether this is possible or not, because they've obviously been posting things on TikTok that they normally wouldn't want to share with the rest of the world, and they don't want other people going in and removing the filter. So just to let you know that as this filter is embedded within TikTok, there is no actual way of removing the filter. So you can't download somebody's video and take it into a different video editing app or a photo editing app and actually remove the filter, because it's actually embedded within the TikTok platform. Now, that's not to say that TikTok themselves cannot actually remove this filter from videos, but it's unlikely that TikTok are going to start removing these filters, giving people the option to remove the filter and then posting them without users' permission. So if you've posted any videos on TikTok with the invisible body filter and you are worried that somebody might try and remove that filter, you can relax a little bit knowing that that's currently not possible by anyone apart from TikTok themselves. So as always, recommend anything you post online to keep it as private and unpersonal as possible, because you never know what can happen. Thanks for watching the video to the end, and if you're still here, please don't forget to hit the subscribe button and also hit a like on the video. Thanks for watching.